Hey guys, this is Shubhadi from 7 Boats Academy. I'm back with a new video. So this video is all for all you website developers and generally targeted towards your WordPress people who develop site with WordPress. So I'm gonna show you a cool plugin and some tricks which you can use to download images from a website and then use those images to almost duplicate a website. So first you will need a plugin. So say you have this website, so say this is a theme, you like this theme and you want to duplicate this theme using WordPress, using Elementor. So you will need to know like which font this person is using, which are the colors, color codes and everything. All this detail you will need when you want to duplicate a website. But first you will need all these images. So the best way to scrap all these images is to use a plugin called Image Downloader plugin from Chrome. So you have to search this image downloader extension and click here image downloader. This plugin is very useful to download images from website, like if you want to scrap images from a theme or a website. So you just have to install this. See, it is already installed on my Chrome. You just have to install this here, and after installing you have to click here and enable it right here. It should be like it should be enabled like this image downloader. You have to click here and make it enabled. So once this is enabled, so let's come to this website, and here you will see this new tab here. Click on this tab and you will see all the images on this page. How cool is this? Now you can download each and every image of this website. So say I want to duplicate this portion of this page, this one. Okay, so there is an image here, right? So I need this image. So let's see where this image is. I think this image will be let's see. Okay, okay, this is the image. This is the image. Okay, so let's download this image. Okay, so this is the image which is here, I think. Okay, so now let's try to duplicate this. Now to duplicate this section, so let's create a new section on my WordPress backend. So let's click on add new. Let's click edit with Elementor. So let's do this. So let's click on a structure. This is a full white structure, so I'm gonna make it full white right here, full white, and gonna add this image at the background. So let's add this image. Let's come to style, background. I'm gonna add that image which I downloaded using that plugin. So this is the image. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you see here there is a overlay here. This image doesn't have the overlay. There is an overlay in this image. Okay, so I need to know the color. So how do you know this color? So you have to click on inspect element. After click on inspecting element, you will have to come down here to styles. You have to click on this style part, and here you have to come down to this color part. You see this colors. So here you have to, there is a little bit of guesswork here, but you have to just see like which color is matching with this overlay. So I think this one is matching. So this is how you can take the scrap all the colors of a website. So now let's add a background here. Let's just make it a little bit bigger. Let's come to layout, minimum height. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna make it no repeat, center, size, cover. Okay, there you go. Position, center. Okay, so let's add this as a background overlay now. So classic. So let's add the color here. So the color which I copied, there you go. So now it's saying it's looking very similar to this. Now I think I have to reduce the opacity a little bit. Okay, make this little bit darker. There you go. Okay, now there is a text here, you see. So call us in Birmingham, West Midlands. So you have to know which font they're using, right? So click on inspect element again. So here this part will be highlighted. And now again you can come down here to the styles part, and here you will see like what they're using. There you go. The color, the font family, font size, font weight, everything you're gonna see here. So we can use this data to absolutely replicate this on my website. So let's take another element here, heading tab, and add the text here. And now let's the color is white, right? So let's add the white color. There you go. Okay, the font is So Sans Pro. This is the font. So I'm gonna use this font. So if you don't use inspect element, you won't be able to understand like which font these guys are using. Unless you use the proper font, it will never look like that. And see, they are using font weight is 600. So the weight is 600. The font size is 34 pixels. So this is very important. So you have to know the exact font size. So 34 pixel, and the line height is 0.8 em. So let's come to the line height here. Let's take it em, and it will be 0.8. There you go. And the letter spacing is 1.1 pixel. So I'm gonna make it 0.1. Now I have to just make it centered. There you go. Now see, it's looking exact copy of this. Now there is another part here for more information on our property and sourcing. Okay, so let's add a new tab here, text editor. Okay, and add this here, right here. Now click on inspect element, and again you're gonna get all the information from here. So the color is again white. So let's come to styles part and add the color white. Let's make it paragraph. Okay, there you go. It's white now. And the font is So Sans Pro. So this is the font. Copy this. Okay, the font size is 18 pixel here. So let's make it 18. There you go. And the font weight is 400. Okay, and you have to make it center aligned. There you go. So we got this two done. Now we need to create this button. You have to create again. You can right click on the button and click on inspect element, and you're gonna get all the information about the colors and everything which they're using on this button. So right here you can see the background color. So the background color is this blue color which they're using. So I'm gonna take my button widget here, put it right here, make it center aligned, click on style, change it to this. So see, we got that exact color, and the text here is getting touch. So again they're using, you'll see the font size here. If you are not sure if this is related to this, you can untick this. Okay, so you can untick this and see that if it is changing. You see, if I untick this font is changing. That means you will be damn sure that this is related to this. Okay, so see, if I untick this background color, the color is going. As soon as I take it, the color comes back. So whatever information is shown here is related to this little element right here. So let's add the text here. So it's written get in touch. So we're gonna add it as get in touch. It's in all caps. So you see it is written here text transform uppercase. So come to styles and make go to typography, and the transform will be uppercase. Okay, and the font is again So Sans Pro. Copy this, add this here. Okay, nice. Then the font weight is 600, and this one is 18 pixel. So 18 pixel, and font weight is 600. Again we got an exact replica of this right here. So this is how you can So this is how you can use inspect element to replicate any portion of a website, and also use this cool plugin to download any images from our website. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you everyone.